So I would like to say that there are 3 simple rules to follow to achieve a realistic result. As you can see, these images aren't really special, but combined they can create something like this. So the first rule is that photos combined should have the same perspective. Secondly, photos combined should have the same type of light. And these 2 images both fulfill these 2 requirements, shot at the same height and in the same type of light. The third one is about making it impossible to distinguish where the different images begin and end, by making it seamless. Make it impossible to say how the image actually was composed. So, by matching color, contrast, and brightness in the borders between the different images, adding photographic defects like depth of field, desaturated colors, and noise, erase the borders between the different images and make it look like one single image, despite the fact that one image can contain hundreds of layers, basically.